Good morning. Now let us see again a new example of NPN transistor as a switch. So the components which we are going to use is a breadboard, a 9-volt battery, an NPN transistor, a resistor of 1 kilo ohms, a LED of your color choice, and a potentiometer whose maximum resistance is 9 kilo ohms. Now let us study the components. So we know that NPN transistor, there is a collector, base and emitter. So let us revise. Transistor is a device which will connect collector to emitter when we provide any current to the base, or when we provide particular voltage to a given base, then it can connect between collector and emitter. So we have a resistor, we have an LED, anode and cathode, that is positive and negative, and we have a new component which is called as a potentiometer. It can also be called as a regulator. Now it has three terminals: terminal 1, central terminal wiper, and terminal 2. Now the working of this particular potentiometer I will show you when I make the circuit diagram. So let us start let us start making the circuit. So the first component which I am taking is an transistor. So collector, base and emitter. Now let us connect the battery first, positive and negative. I am using a color code. Positive is red. So this entire line is red, positive, and this entire line is negative. Now I am connecting collector to the positive of the battery. So we know how to use the breadboard now. So this is collector. I'm taking an LED. I'm placing an LED. This is the anode and this is the cathode. I'm connecting emitter to one end of the LED, that is anode. Pay attention to here that I am connecting it to anode, and the other end will be connected to ground here. So this will be connected to ground. I'm showing it by black. So hope this part of the circuit is understood. So collector is connected to positive and emitter is connected through an LED to negative. So this is the simple circuit. Now let us connect the base. So I am taking a resistor. Now this entire line is base. So all the holes are connected. So I am just used a resistor. I've connected to this end, and other end of the resistor should be connected to potentiometer. So I'm taking a potentiometer, I'm placing it here, and I need to connect it to the central wiper of the potentiometer. So base to the central wiper of potentiometer. So I'm taking a wire from here and bringing it till here. Okay, so this is my connection. I'm connecting it using red. Yeah. So base through this resistance of 1 kilo ohm is connected to the wiper of the potentiometer. Now potentiometer has two more terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2. Now this is the regulator which can be turned in any direction when you start working with it. So you can rotate this knob in any given direction. So the terminal which you will connect to the negative of the battery will be 0, and the terminal which you will connect to the positive of the battery will give you the maximum voltage. So in this case the potentiometer which we are using is a 9-volt potentiometer. So here in our case it is going to be maximum 9 volts. So this terminal I am connecting it to negative of the battery. See here, this is the negative. So this terminal I've connected to negative, so I'm showing it by black. Whereas this terminal I'm connecting it to positive of the battery. See here, so I'm showing it by red. Now when I rotate this potentiometer from this point to this point, my voltage will travel from 0 volts and it will increase from 0 to a maximum value of 9 volts, because this is a 9 volt potentiometer. Now when I change the potentiometer reading, when I increase this voltage, what is going to happen? This voltage is going to go and act across the base. So as soon as the base receives a respectable voltage, what is going to happen? It is going to connect connector to emitter, and as soon as the connection is built up, we will see that the LED starts glowing. And also if we increase the voltage, we will see that LED gets brighter and brighter. That is what the entire circuit is about. So here again transistor is working as a switch. Okay, let me show you that. I'm starting the simulation. Yeah, so I've started the simulation. Now here as the knob is on 0, you can see that the LED is not glowing. I'm going to rotate the knob. I'm slowly rotating the knob. You can see that the LED is getting brighter and brighter as soon as I rotate the knob. If I rotate it to a maximum value, it gets blasted, and 9 volts it is going to get blast. So I'm reducing the voltage. See, it's got brighter. Now it's getting dimmer and dimmer. See, so as you can see, as exclamation marks, the voltage, the current reading is more than required, more than recommended. So I'm reducing the potentiometer. I hope you understood. Try to make this circuit at your end. Thank you.